What if I told you that Earth narrowly dodged a massive asteroid that could have changed history forever? This isn't science fiction, it really happened. And the facts about it are absolutely unbelievable. The threat of asteroids is real and immediate, urging us to reflect on our preparedness for such cosmic events. Ignoring these warnings could lead to catastrophic consequences, impacting life as we know it. Each near miss serves as both a wake-up call and an opportunity, a chance for scientists and engineers to innovate and develop robust technologies designed to avert potential disasters. They are tirelessly applying their expertise, ensuring that strategies are in place for when the next opportunity arises. The stakes are high, and the burden lies firmly on our shoulders to safeguard not just our lives, but also our planet's future. The question lingers: are we ready to step up and face the unknown cosmic challenges that lie ahead? In this fight against time and nature, every second counts. Our survival might depend on our collective resolve to address these threats head-on. A collaboration across nations may hold the key, as we unify our knowledge and resources in pursuit of planetary defense. The urgency is palpable, and with scientists leading the charge, we can remain hopeful about our capacity to confront these daunting challenges in the cosmos. The future depends on what we choose to do today. The sky may seem vast and empty, but it is teeming with unseen dangers. Every day, we share our planet with countless celestial objects that orbit the sun, many of which go unnoticed until they are alarmingly close. In our quest to protect Earth, it is vital that we not only invest in detection technologies but also foster global cooperation on a scale never seen before. Collaborative efforts can lead to groundbreaking advancements, inspiring nations to unite in their resolve against asteroid threats. As we look toward the stars, each step we take brings us closer to a safer future, where humanity can thrive amidst the wonders and risks of the universe. The moment demands action, and the time to start is now. Embracing a proactive stance towards asteroid detection is essential, enabling us to transform our fear into preparation. Through advancements in technology and shared intelligence, we can enhance our monitoring systems, empowering us to detect incoming threats sooner. Educational initiatives also play a crucial role in raising awareness about these cosmic dangers, ensuring that society understands the risks we face. By fostering a culture of preparedness, we can cultivate an environment where innovation flourishes, ultimately leading us to develop effective solutions for planetary defense. As we navigate the complexities of space, it's crucial to remember that our survival hinges on the decisions we make today. Embracing unity and innovation will guide us toward a future where humanity can safely coexist with the wonders of the cosmos, prepared for whatever comes next.